Antarctica, Earth's last great wilderness. It is a place where the world feels untouched, where the silence is so deep it almost echoes, and where the horizon stretches endlessly, broken only by jagged peaks of ice and snow. Here, the air is crisp and biting, and the landscape is both beautiful and forbidding, a realm that seems almost otherworldly. Larger than Europe, almost entirely buried in ice, it's a place of profound silence and raw beauty. The sheer scale of Antarctica is difficult to comprehend. Its ice sheet contains nearly 70% of the world's fresh water, locked away in a frozen expanse that has shaped global climate for millennia. For centuries, it was a blank spot on our maps, shrouded in myth. Early explorers could only imagine what lay beyond the endless southern seas, spinning tales of lost continents and mysterious lands at the bottom of the world. It was a place of legend, feared and revered in equal measure. Even now, its deepest secrets remain locked beneath a frozen shield that's endured for millions of years. The ice preserves a record of Earth's ancient past, holding clues to vanished worlds and long-lost climates, waiting for us to uncover them. The ice averages over a mile thick, hiding mountains, valleys, rivers, and lakes. Beneath this vast white desert, entire mountain ranges and hidden lakes remain untouched by sunlight, sealed off from the world above for eons. This continent is dedicated to science, where nations unite to pursue knowledge. Here, researchers from around the globe work side by side, braving the harshest conditions on Earth to unlock the mysteries of our planet. Antarctica is a symbol of international cooperation, a place where the pursuit of discovery transcends borders. Antarctica holds the history of our planet's climate, a frozen archive stretching back through the ages. By drilling deep into the ice, scientists can read the story of Earth's atmosphere, tracing changes in temperature, greenhouse gases, and even ancient volcanic eruptions. Each layer is a page in the planet's diary, revealing how life and climate have evolved together. What life could exist in the darkness and pressure beneath this immense ice? In these hidden lakes and rivers, cut off from sunlight for millions of years, scientists have discovered strange and resilient forms of life, microbes that thrive in the cold, feeding on minerals and chemicals, rewriting our understanding of where life can survive. What ancient landscapes lie preserved, unseen for millions of years? The land beneath the ice is a time capsule, holding secrets of lost forests, ancient rivers, and perhaps even the remnants of prehistoric life. Each new scan and sample brings us closer to understanding the hidden world below. Each discovery reveals deeper mysteries, challenging our understanding of life itself. The more we learn, the more we realize how much remains unknown, how Antarctica's secrets could reshape our knowledge of evolution, adaptation, and survival. Here, discovery means drilling into the very fabric of our world, not gazing at distant stars. The quest for knowledge in Antarctica is a journey into the heart of our own planet, a reminder that some of the greatest mysteries are not in space, but right here on Earth. Antarctica's secrets are about all life on Earth, its past, its resilience, and perhaps its future. As we continue to explore this final frontier, we are not just uncovering the story of a continent, but the story of our planet, and the delicate balance that sustains us all. Antarctica is a continent defined by its superlatives, the coldest, driest, windiest, and highest place on Earth. It is a land of staggering contrasts, where the sun can shine for months on end, only to be replaced by endless darkness. Here, the environment is so harsh and unforgiving that it challenges the very limits of survival, both for humans and for the remarkable creatures that call it home. Its isolation is profound, with vast distances separating it from the rest of the world. The Antarctic continent is surrounded by the Southern Ocean, a turbulent moat that keeps it remote and largely untouched by human hands. To the north, the infamous Drake Passage separates Antarctica from South America. This stretch of ocean is notorious for its wild, unpredictable storms and towering waves, making any journey here a true test of endurance and courage. Temperatures can plunge to -89 degrees Celsius, the coldest ever recorded on our planet. Even in summer, the mercury rarely rises above freezing, and the wind chill can make it feel far colder. The Antarctic ice sheet is a frozen giant, covering an area larger than the United States and Mexico combined. It holds an astonishing 90% of the world's ice and 70% of its fresh water, locked away in ancient layers of snow and ice that have built up over millions of years. If this vast reservoir of ice were to melt, global sea levels would rise by nearly 60 meters, flooding coastal cities and reshaping continents. The fate of the world's coastlines is intimately tied to the future of Antarctica's ice. Yet, the ice is not static. It is constantly on the move, with glaciers slowly flowing towards the sea, carving deep valleys and shaping the landscape as they go. At the coast, these glaciers calve into massive icebergs, some as large as cities, which drift away into the Southern Ocean. Despite being covered in ice, Antarctica is technically the world's largest desert. Precipitation is incredibly rare, with most areas receiving less moisture than the Sahara. The snow that does fall accumulates slowly, layer upon layer, over thousands of years, creating a frozen archive of Earth's past. Trapped within these layers are tiny air bubbles, time capsules that preserve a direct record of our planet's climate history, revealing secrets about ancient atmospheres and past temperatures. Katabatic winds, born from cold, dense air sliding down the continent's slopes, can reach hurricane speeds. These relentless winds sculpt the snow, create blizzards, and reshape the landscape in a matter of hours. Only the most specialized life survives here. Emperor penguins huddle together for warmth, while seals thrive on the ice, perfectly adapted to the extreme cold and isolation. Beneath the ice, a hidden world endures. Vast subglacial lakes and ancient microbes, preserved in darkness for millions of years, waiting to reveal their mysteries to science. In this land of extremes, Antarctica's very harshness is its greatest protector, shielding its secrets and preserving its pristine wilderness for generations to come. Beneath Antarctica's endless white expanse lies a hidden world, one that few have ever imagined. Far below the surface, beneath the thick frozen crust, are vast mountain ranges, deep canyons, and sprawling plains, an entire landscape, lost to time and sealed away by ice for millions of years. This is a place where the familiar rules of the surface world no longer apply, where sunlight never reaches, and where the land has been shaped by forces both ancient and mysterious. All of this is hidden under miles of solid ice, some of it more than 2 miles thick. The sheer weight and pressure of this ice has kept the secrets of Antarctica's interior locked away, making it one of the least explored places on Earth. Among the most astonishing discoveries are the Gumburtsev Mountains. These peaks, as grand and jagged as the Alps, were found not by explorers on foot, but by scientists using radar and seismic waves to peer through the ice. Their sharp summits and deep valleys are completely entombed, unseen by human eyes for millions of years, and their very existence was a shock to geologists. This subglacial world has existed in perpetual darkness and crushing pressure for eons. Here, the environment is so extreme that it challenges our understanding of what is possible on our planet. Over 400 subglacial lakes, including the mysterious Lake Vostok, are trapped between the bedrock and the ice above. These lakes have been isolated from the outside world for millions of years, creating unique, untouched environments that may be unlike anything else on Earth. Scientists believe these lakes could harbor entire ecosystems, with life forms that have evolved in total darkness, cut off from the sun and the rest of the planet. The search for microbial life in these hidden waters is one of the most exciting frontiers in science, offering clues to how life might survive in extreme conditions elsewhere in the universe. The ice acts as a perfect preservative, locking away this ancient landscape and its secrets. It is a geological time capsule, preserving evidence of past climates, ancient rivers, and even the remnants of forests that once covered this land. Over countless millennia, glaciers have sculpted the land beneath, carving valleys and shaping mountains. Yet, much of the original terrain remains remarkably intact, protected by the unyielding ice above. Antarctica's buried terrain holds vital clues to the history of our planet. By studying rock samples and ancient sediments, scientists are piecing together the story of Earth's past, from the formation of continents to the rise and fall of ancient ecosystems. This hidden world tells of drifting continents, dramatic shifts in climate, and a time when Antarctica was not a frozen desert, but a lush green land teeming with life. Fossils and ancient pollen reveal forests and rivers, a stark contrast to the icy wilderness we see today. The world beneath the ice is like a vast, frozen museum, preserving the story of Earth's changing face. Each layer of ice and rock is a page in the planet's history, waiting to be read. As scientists continue to explore and unlock these secrets, we are only just beginning to understand the wonders that lie beneath Antarctica's ice, a hidden world that may change our understanding of Earth itself. Antarctica was once part of Gondwana, a temperate, forested land teeming with life. Fossils found in ice-free areas reveal ancient forests and even dinosaurs, like the crested predator Cryolophosaurus. These discoveries show that as recently as 3 million years ago, tundra vegetation survived near the South Pole. Fossils connect Antarctica to other continents, revealing how animals once roamed freely across Gondwana. The continent's transformation from green to frozen is one of Earth's great stories. Studying these fossils helps scientists understand the climatic tipping points that led to the ice sheet's formation. Antarctica's dynamic history is written in its rocks and ice. It's not just a frozen wasteland, it's a continent of change. Deep beneath eastern Antarctica lies the Gumburtsev Mountains, a range the size of the Alps, hidden under more than a mile of ice. Their existence defies geological expectations. The heart of an ancient continent should be flat, not mountainous. How did these sharp peaks form, and why are they still there? International teams used ice-penetrating radar and other tools to map this ghost range. The emerging theory, ancient roots formed 1 billion years ago, eroded, then uplifted by rifting as Gondwana split. The rapid formation of the East Antarctic ice sheet preserved the mountains, flash freezing their youthful form. Instead of eroding them, the ice became their protector. The Gumburtsev Mountains are a frozen riddle, preserved by the very ice that hides them. Their story is a testament to Antarctica's geological complexity. Antarctica hides a vast network of subglacial lakes and rivers, kept liquid by pressure and geothermal heat. Over 400 lakes have been found, the most famous being Lake Vostok, buried under nearly 4 kilometers of ice. These lakes are among the most isolated environments on Earth, cut off from sunlight for millions of years. Scientists drill through the ice with sterilized equipment to avoid contamination. The search for life in these lakes is like searching for life on other worlds. Samples from lakes like Whillans and Mercer have revealed thriving microbial ecosystems. These microbes survive by metabolizing minerals, not sunlight. Life here expands our understanding of where life can exist, on Earth and beyond. Antarctica's subglacial lakes are natural laboratories for studying extreme life. They hint at possibilities for life on icy moons elsewhere in the solar system. Unlocking Antarctica's secrets requires extraordinary technology. Ice-penetrating radar, flown on aircraft, maps the hidden landscape beneath the ice. Gravimeters and magnetometers reveal geological structures and volcanic rock. Drilling ice cores provides a climate record stretching back 800,000 years. Air bubbles in the ice reveal past atmospheres and greenhouse gas levels. For subglacial lakes, hot water drills and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, are used. ROVs explore lake beds, collect samples, and search for life, all while scientists remain on the surface. These tools have revolutionized our understanding of Antarctica. What was once a blank spot on the map is now a world of wonder. Technology is the key to unlocking the continent's deepest mysteries. Where there's mystery, myths follow. For centuries, Antarctica was the unknown southern land, a canvas for wild speculation. Tales of secret Nazi bases and lost cities like Atlantis persist, fueled by the continent's remoteness. In reality, features seen in satellite images are natural formations, not ancient ruins. These myths reflect our fascination with the unknown and our desire for discovery. While scientists probe the ice for facts, legends keep the spirit of adventure alive. Antarctica remains a symbol of the ultimate frontier, a place where imagination and science meet. Antarctica's secrets are vital to our planet's future. Its ice sheet regulates global temperatures and drives ocean currents. Ice cores reveal Earth's climate history and the link between greenhouse gases and temperature. Current carbon dioxide levels are higher than at any time in the last 800,000 years, clear evidence of human impact. Studying life in Antarctica's extremes expands our understanding of biology and astrobiology. If life thrives here, it could exist on icy moons like Europa. Antarctica is a mirror, reflecting our past, present, and possible future. It's a sensitive barometer for global change and a warning about a warming world. The continent's preservation and peaceful exploration are responsibilities we owe to future generations. Antarctica's mysteries are not just its own, they belong to all of humanity. Protecting this wilderness is one of our greatest duties.